The first question of our today quiz is: the word magistrate is used in which of the following article of the Constitution of India? Option A, Article 226, option B, Article 126, option C, Article 22, or option D, Article 21. Its right answer is option number C, Article 22. Article 22 is protection against arrest and detention in certain cases. You have to refer Article 22, Clause 2, where it is written, every person who is arrested and detained in custody shall be produced before the nearest magistrate, and other provisions are in this clause, which you can refer. But I have taken only up to nearest magistrate so as to show you where the word magistrate is. Next question is: which is not contemplated as part of investigation ordered by a magistrate under section 202? Option A, search; option B, seizure; option C, interrogation; or option D, arrest. Its right answer is option number D, arrest. For this, you have to refer section 202 subsection 3 of CRPC, where it is written, if an investigation under subsection 1 is made by a person not being a police officer, he shall have for that investigation all the powers conferred by this code on an officer in charge of a police station, except the power to arrest without warrant. Search warrant for person wrongfully confined may be ordered by any district, subdivisional magistrate, or magistrate of the first class under which section? Option A, section 106, option B, section 94, option C, section 97, or option D, section 93. Its right answer is option number C, section 97. It is titled as Search for Persons Wrongfully Confined. Who is the authority under section 107 to demand of a person's security for keeping peace on information that any person is likely to commit a breach of the peace, disturb the public tranquility? Option A, sessions judges; option B, executive magistrate; option C, first class magistrate; or option D, none of this. Its right answer is option number B, executive magistrate. Section 107 and 106. Section 106 is titled as Security for Keeping the Peace on Conviction, and Section 107 is Security for Keeping the Peace in Other Cases. Under Section 204, subsection 2 of CRPC, no summons or warrant shall be issued until: option A, the complainant is examined; option B, a list of witnesses has been filed; option C, the address of the accused is filed; or option D, none. Its right answer is option number B, a list of witnesses has been filed. Section 204 is titled as Issue of Process, which is under Chapter 16, Commencement of Proceedings before Magistrate. A exposes her child with the knowledge that she is thereby likely to cause its death. The child died in consequence of such exposure. In this case, option A may be separately charged with and convicted of offences under section 317 and 304 IPC. Option B may be charged for 304 IPC only. Option C may be charged with 302 only, or option D, none. Its right answer is option number A. For this, you have to refer illustration K of section 220 of CRPC. The question is illustration K. Section 220 is trial for more than one offense. An application under section 96 to set aside a declaration of forfeiture of newspaper, book, or other document should be made to: option A, the High Court; option B, the government; option C, the district court concerned; or option D, the Supreme Court. Its right answer is option A, the High Court. Section 96 is application to High Court to set aside declaration of forfeiture. To eligible for the return of the attached property or the net proceed of sale thereof, the proclaimed person Option A should appear before the court within 1 year. Option B should appear before the court within 7 years. Or option C should appear before the court within 3 years. Or option D should appear before the court within 2 years from the date of attachment and satisfy the court he did not abscond for conceal himself for the purpose of avoiding the execution of warrant. Its right answer is option number D. For this, you have to refer section 85, subsection 3. Section 85 is release, sale, and restoration of attached property. When the property is not produced before the court, pending or during the inquiry or trial, the disposal of property shall be governed by Section 451 of CRPC, Section 457, Section 452, or Section 454. Its right answer is option number B, Section 457. Section 457 is titled as Procedure by Police upon Seizure of Property. Our last question of this quiz is when the Criminal Procedure Code 1973 came into force. Option A on April 1, 1973, option B on April 1, 1974, option C on January 1st, 1974, or option D on January 1, 1974. Its right answer is option number B on April 1st, 1974. For this, you have to refer Section 1, Subsection 3 of Criminal Procedure Code. Section 1 is short title, extent, and commencement. Thank you very much for watching this video.